Step numero uno, grab your phone. Next, watch a YouTube video, and then comes the best part, get real money deposited straight into your account. I mean, you're watching a YouTube video right now. Just imagine being able to earn money for watching videos like this one. Take a look at this. You could have $100 deposited straight into your account, and all you did was watch videos. This is a really great way to score some cash, especially if you don't have any experience. It's really simple to do, and it's completely free to sign up. Oh, and did I mention you can do this from basically anywhere in the world? I'm going to walk you through how to do this and how to get started so you can be on your way to making big bucks. All you need to do is listen up and listen in for some of the bonus tips that I throw in along the way. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Are you ready to get started? Great. So the very first thing that you're gonna do is open up a browser and go to this website right here. So you can sign up for a free account with this website, and basically what you do on here is you watch movies and make money just for doing that. If you want to check for this website's legitness, you can actually go ahead and take a look right here, and it shows you proof that people have actually gotten paid through this website. They are super transparent about how much money people earn on here and how much money people are cashing out. So if you take a look, it's going to show you exactly how much money people are making. And you can see that people doing this are coming from all over the world. They're having it deposited in different accounts, like their bank accounts or PayPal accounts, stuff like that. And it's really, really easy to get started, so you're going to want to listen in to learn more about it. Now, there is a way to mess this up, so you're going to want to make sure that you follow every single step that I walk you through and make sure you do everything I say to a T, just so that you don't miss out on making hundreds of dollars. I even have some bonus tips that are going to help you earn more, so listen out for those as well. Anywho, I am pretty sure that by now you're ready to sign up for a free account, so to be able to do that, you're just going to click on this button right here, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this one. And as you can see, they're asking you for some personal information. They want you to make a username, they want your email address, they want you to make a password, and then they want you to confirm your password. And they ask for your location, but sometimes they actually go ahead and auto detect your location, so that's really easy to do, so don't be worried about that. And as I said, you can do this from anywhere in the world, so it really doesn't matter what country they select, because you can do this from anywhere on the planet. Anywho, just go through, fill in the rest of whatever they're asking you for, click this right here, and then you should have an account up and ready to go. Alright, so once you log in, you should see a page that looks like this one, and it's going to show you all sorts of information that you can read through. Anywho, you're probably going to notice one thing, and it's that your account hasn't been verified. So to be able to start making money and earning points, you're going to have to go to your email inbox and go ahead and validate your email address. Anyways, here on your dashboard homepage, you're just going to go through and look for the part where it talks about YouTube videos. You're going to click on that, and it's going to have your likes, your dislikes, and the subs. And as you can see, all you have to do is click on this button to be able to play the video. And then once you play the video, you can start making money. Now, this tip is very important because if you don't do this, you could actually miss out on making money. So once you click on the YouTube video, you're going to want to stay for at least 35 seconds to be able to earn points. Now, if you don't stay for that long, you could actually miss out on earning any points at all. So obviously, stay for at least 35 seconds. Once you've done that, you're going to earn points. And then once you get points, you can exchange those points for cash. Anywho, when you go ahead and open a video, you're going to notice that there's a countdown somewhere on the page, and it's going to show you the 35-second countdown. And once you get to 0, you're going to score 90 points just for watching. Now, another bonus tip, if you don't actually want to watch the video, you can go ahead, click on it, wait for the 35-second countdown to finish. Once it gets to 0, you've already earned points, so you can go ahead and exit it out. Now you can hit the pause button and not watch the video at all. So once it's open, It's gonna count down 35 seconds. You don't have to watch the video, just hit pause, and then you can earn cash after the 35 seconds are up. Now, I have some more tips that are gonna be able to help you out, so you're gonna wanna stay with me, so keep listening.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Okie dokie, since you have stuck it out with me this far into the video, I have some bonus tips that are going to help you out a ton, so listen up. My very first bonus tip is going to be to open up a lot of videos all at once. So obviously you don't actually have to watch the videos, as I said earlier, so you can open up a lot of videos and press play, let the countdown begin, and just let it play in the background. Obviously, as I said earlier, you can pause the video so that you don't have a lot of background noise going on and everything overlapping. So you can go ahead, open a window, have the video play, hit pause after a second of the video, and open up a ton of windows like that. And then you can score lots of points, which in turn will help you score lots of cash. Okay, and another bonus tip is going to be to change the playback speed. So obviously you can change the playback speed on YouTube videos. All you have to do is click this right here and you can go ahead and speed up the video 2 times. And that's just going to help you be able to finish videos a lot faster, which in a way is going to help you be able to watch more videos. And watching more videos obviously means more money, so that's going to help you out a ton. And now my last bonus tip in terms of this website is going to be to go ahead and change the quality of the video. And obviously it's set to auto right now. You can go ahead and turn it down to 144p. And this is the lowest setting that you can go to. So that's going to help your videos load faster. And on top of that, if you happen to be on your phone and using data, it's going to help you save data as well. So that is a really great option to be able to help you earn some more cash by saving time. Wait a second. So that actually wasn't my last bonus tip. So if you've stuck around, then you have another bonus tip for you. So if you want to earn more money, you're going to go ahead and click the daily bonus button. So basically what this does is just for logging into your account and watching 50 videos, you can earn 100 points just for that. So every single day you're able to earn a lot of bonus points, and these bonus points obviously are going to convert over to money, and that money is going to land straight into your account. So obviously this is a great tip to use, and it's going to help you be able to max out your cash out. So now that you're ready and you've earned some points, you're probably wondering how you can go ahead and cash out your money. So obviously there's a way to be able to withdraw your funds, and all you need to do is click this right here. So once you do that, it's going to send you to a page where it's going to ask for your payment method. And they have a lot of different methods that you can choose from, like Bitcoin or PayPal. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to find a way for you to be able to get paid. If you don't have an account with any of these, then maybe you should sign up for PayPal. Wink, wink. Anyways, this obviously is for people from all over the world, as you've probably seen from earlier, and there are a lot of different payment options. So go ahead and try this website out. It's free to sign up for, so you really don't have an excuse. And the minimum cash out for this website is $1.50. So it has a really low cash out requirement, and you can cash out really quickly. So obviously this is a website that I highly recommend to you guys. Anywho, that is all I've got for you, my dudes. I hope you learned something new.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.